The next thing after profit and loss that we need to study is discounts. But discounts relatively is an easier topic here because we do not go into a lot of details of discounts. But let's start with a few key terms that I need to explain it to you. See, for example, if you go to a shopping mall and there's a sale going on, let's say if I say that the article is of $50 and there is a 50% off, you can clearly say that it will be sold for $25, right? You knew that 50% off would mean half the price. But let's say if it says $50, but there is not 50% off, let's say there's 40% off. Now, for 40% off, what would you do? Of course, if you can't do the calculation, the other person would do it for you and they will tell you that, see, 50, let's calculate 40% of 50, which is 20, right? So, $20 are off, or let's say is off. You do not have to pay $20. That means the new price will be $30. So, out of 50, you get a discount of $20 and then remaining you will pay, right? So basically, what is the discount here? The discount is $20, or you can say 40%. What is the discounted price? Like the price after discount, the one that I am paying is $30. Or you can also say, in other words, that if I'm not paying 40%, then what I'm paying is basically 60%, right? Because the total is 100%. I'm not paying 40%. So what am I paying? I'm paying 60%. And the last one is the marked price. Marked price is the actual price, or you can say the tagged price, the one that the shopkeeper had already set, and then he will be applying discount on that. So that is your mark price, right? So if you know all these three values, of course you can also call discounted price as sale price or new selling price, because after the discount this is what you are selling it at. So these words can also be used here. Let's do a few simpler questions first. The mark price on a ceiling fan is $1250. Mark price means the price which is there on the tag, and the shopkeeper allows a discount of 6%. So that means out of 1250, I am not paying 6%, I am only paying 94%. So not paying, paying, right? So you can do it two ways, okay? One, you can calculate 6%, which is 75, and you can deduct it from 1250, which will give me 1175, I think. Yes. Right. So this is my new price. Or the other way is that when I know that I am paying only 94%, then I can clearly find out 94% of 1250. So 94 into 100 upon 1250 will also give me $1175. Okay. But of course, you can use any one method. It's not necessary that you'll use both the methods, whichever you find easier. But of course, it's good that you know both of it. Wherever you find whichever one the easier, you can use that way. Let's move further. Find the rate of discount. Now here, I have to find the rate of discount. Rate of discount would mean the percentage of discount, right? Being given on a pair of shoes which are sold for this. So basically the sale price is $600, right? After getting a discount of 120. So the discount here is $120, right? The discount percentage is basically, if I actually write it down, it will be discount amount or discount value upon marked price, which I have, of course, I think I have to find. No, I don't have to find here. Marked price into 100, right? Do I have marked price here? No, I don't have. What do I do then? Okay, one more thing. Marked price, or let's write it the other way. I can say the sale price is equal to marked price minus discount. Okay. Do I have sale price here? Yes, which is 600. Do I have mark price here, which is X? I don't know. Discount is, it says after a discount of $120. I can clearly say it is $720, right? But this is not my final answer. Why? Because I have to find profit percentage, sorry, discount percentage. So discount percentage using this formula will be discount value upon mark price multiply by 100. Okay, this gives me 16.7%. okay, if you want to do it in the ratio form, we can do that also. Let's do it that way then. Okay, for the next question, we can use the ratio format also, but let's start with it. Alright, the question says after allowing a discount of 8% on a toy, I have the discount percentage, it is sold for 216.2. Find the marked price. Let's put down the data. Marked price, discount, sale price. Okay, I have to find the marked price. Let's put it X. Since the discount percentage is always given on the basis of mark price, so it will be 100%. Okay, what is the discount? I don't know, but I know that it is 8%. Okay, so marked price, if you remember, I gave you this formula that sale price is mark price minus discount. So mark price minus discount gives me 92%. Okay, is it given in the question? Yes, it is. It's given here that it is sold for 216.2. That means that is your selling price. Using this and this, I can form a ratio. So this will be X upon 216.2 is equals to 100 upon 92. The answer here is $235. Okay, had it been another way, what could you have done? For example, it says that, let's say, okay, so again, selling price is mark price minus discount, right? This is what we knew. So for example, if we have to do it not in the ratio basis, then I could have done it this way. For example, using the same thing, I knew that selling price is 216.2, right? I don't know the mark price here, so I can say X, and discount is always 8% of X. So you either do it this way, this seems very complicated to you, then of course you can do it this way also, that of course we know that 92% of X is 216.2. Because remember when I told you that this is what I am not paying and this is the one that I am paying. And what am I paying? I am paying 216.2. So I can also say that 216.2 is 92% of X. So I can write it this way also. In this case also, 216.2 multiplied by 100, sorry, upon 92 is equal to X, and it will be the same, which is $235. But I must tell you that this method was the easier one, so you could have used that one easily, the first one that I taught you. Let's move further. I do one more question here. A dealer purchased a fan for $1080. Now this has like a little complicated because it has two steps, but so make sure that you put a little attention here. It says that the dealer purchased a fan for this, I can say cost price, 1080, and sold it for 1296 after allowing a discount of 25%. Basically, discount will not be given on the cost price, right? Now imagine what is exactly the thing happening here. Here is a shop, right? So a person bought a fan from outside the shop at what price? 1080. If he is buying at 1080, he will not sell it for 1080 because he has to earn a profit on that, right? So he is not selling it for 1080, he is selling it at a price which is, let's say, X. So X is his selling price. But after deciding that there was a selling price of X, he said that I will give a discount of 25%. 25%. So basically, what is the discount here now? The discount is 25% of X, right? What do we have to find? The mark price. Now, what is the mark price? Mark price is also X. Selling price, mark price. Remember I told you, selling price is mark price. Okay. Let's do it again. So basically, the first thing that I have to find is X here. Now, I don't know what is the mark price, but it is X. And I know it is 100%, right? I don't know what is the discount, but I know it is 25%. Do I know what is the selling price? Yes, I know. It is 1296. It says it sold it for 1296. So it is 1296, and I know that 100 minus 25 is 75%. Can I make a ratio here? Yes, I can. See it here. Alright, so I can easily make a ratio here. Let's make it out. So X 1296, 100, 75. Let's find X. X is going to be 1728 dollars. What is this now? This is my mark price or selling price, whatever you call it. Okay. Now, it said find his profit percentage. Now let's move from discounts to profit and loss, because now he's talking about profit. See, remember, discount is something else, profit is something else. You need to understand this. Discount is given on the selling price. So for example, if I go to the market and I see a dress there, there's a tag with the dress, right? So that tag has the selling price, which already include cost plus profit for the shopkeeper. But to me, it's a selling price, right? It's the mark price that I see. I will get a discount on that particular price, not on what the shopkeeper bought it at, right? So here also, the shopkeeper bought it for 1080, but he will give a discount on this, right? And of course, now nobody is buying it at 1728. Whoever bought the fan is bought it for 1296. So now let's consider this. Selling price 1296, cost 1080. Now profit is calculated for the shopkeeper, discount is calculated for the customer, right? So whoever is buying will calculate the discount, whoever is selling will actually gain profit on it. Cost is 1080, so profit is 1296. Of course, 1296 minus 1080, which is 216. Do I need profit? No, I need profit percentage. So I would say profit upon cost price multiply by 100. This gives me 20%. Right? So even when he sold it at 25% discount, he still got a profit of 20%. Right?